hotter. Hotter, hotter, hotter. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Hotter, hotter. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Hotter, hotter, hotter.
Good night, everyone. No, you know, this now is not a good time because when you lose someone or you go through certain stuff, when you're gonna miss some, you know, you have some people.
John, somebody dead fear. John.
My God.
Uncle Donald gone.
Uncle Donald.
What did they do to Donald?
Uncle Donald. I'm not gonna lie. Enough man in the wake up with all kind of problem.
Our father.
And when you look at Donald Trump tweet, when you go on CNN and sit down on the name, now go up on the TV, days of our life now go on with no.
Donald Trump did that. But but Jesus come here.
God, so Donald.
Father, if you're not busy, come here.
Belly.
Donald Trump.
Me go miss him.
This can't real.
Enough time. Donald Trump as a president, we call some little word where you know as a president. Enough time here Obama call some word where you wonder where I say. But if you know say one thief in a White House, you can't look, you know, one day me hear Donald Trump call one country shit house. If you know say one get a fabulous in the White House. When you look at Melania face, she favor board. Me just go miss them, me know say. Me go just mix a little mix up. If you lick Donald Trump in my cloth, your back. You're not business born a president. Oh, God,
Georgia.
I feel it.
We should get the water.
Joe Biden never have to do this. Kamala never have to do this. But me know better days are coming. And Joe Biden me mark down the whole line promise them. But me know say things will look better. Understand, apart from the mix up and the scandal. I just miss Donald Trump, but I know say no for no. No for no, I go talk be things. But enough time Donald Trump says something and he cheer we up and we laugh. You know, so one crumb bug in a White House. Maybe. Oh, Donald Trump. Uncle Donald. Oh, me feel it. Pass some water for me. And give me 2 pressure pillow. Oh, you for name saying and I go sit down pan. Enough time. Donald Trump will call some word where you know. When you see a president can call some word, when you see a president, it's like a get a fabulous or somebody where you sit down and play bingo with us. When you look and see, I'm going to miss it. Look at Donald. At least when me that says it, if him go to federal prison, right? Ask me, I don't really know. We will hear anything from him. He go still have him phone. I don't know. Sorry. Ooh.
Bless up on yourself, viewers and subscribers. Boy, I tell you. Well, this video was sent to NEWLINK people, and honestly, we just start work on it. Me didn't even watch. So while me did watch, me was like, things say, you know me, she lost a family member, and the way she start going on, me I say, yo, our father are such a pot, and Because when you say Donald and thing, but when you say Donald Trump, no, I say me rated. I can't believe. But differently people must actually act. I can't think this real act, man, because the words them and things still as it. So very good acting skills still, because you tricked me. Honestly, you tricked me at first. I was tricked, people. I was tricked. You ever tricked before? I was tricked. She too tricked me. I never know. John no star. Wow. Well, people, right now I don't have nothing to say, because election now finish yet. You understand, them still account, but to on a real level, for Uncle Donald it look so good. No sign no look good, none at all, people. Not even a piece, not even a quarter, not even an inch. You know look so good, people. If me was Uncle Donald right now, honestly, me I just pack up my things, them people, and just make a move before them even start for me. Because I know look so good, people. That's it. That's it. You know, that's it for Uncle Donald. It's over, it finished. No, sir, it finished. That's it, man. So you don't know the thing going on viewers and subscribers. Are the attacking boss there, man, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. As I tell the people, I just more love, you know, and more blessings. And you don't know, big up the actress. She's a very good actress. You understand? Yeah, man. I hope she come with the one when she go say Auntie Lisa or Uncle. But you want a name? Golden or something, or grandfather Golden or something. Because you know, so Jamaica for them president, PNP presidential election today and thing, people. So let's go forward and see how that one goes. But for now, people, all me can tell you, Uncle Donald, he no look so good. So if you cry more, you go cry harder. That's all NEWLINK can say. Big up on yourself, people. And if you don't subscribe, make sure you subscribe now. And hit up the notification bell so as NEWLINK drop the video, then you will get them a your ping and they come on the thing. You understand? So people, you know me I say, man, big up to everyone who in the US who go cast them ballot and go vote for rights. You know what I mean? Whether you vote for, if you want to vote for rep or you want to vote for them, I don't, you know, you understand, because I'm in the US and I can't vote, and everyone who vote know why the reason who they vote for, who they want to vote for. You understand? Everybody must know, people, because you know this thing of people, honestly, many people like watch it. Every time I come to and click on the TV, I just this thing I say, I can't watch nothing in peace. One time I did every day. You have over how much cases of the COVID rise up over, so nobody not talk about it, just Uncle Donald and Uncle beating and this and that. But I can say, big up to all of the yard them who say, you know, so I want to change for better. They understand me. Hope you do see better. Me want better do come in the way and them thing. They understand me. Hope you do get one. Want all who did say them a hold on upon them green card something. They hope you do get it. All who did say they want a visa and them can't get it. I hope you do get it. All who say them want to take the plane and them can't take it. Me hope you know what I mean. So I just hope everything for the best and for the better, because honestly, people, no more Uncle Donald. You understand? He's finished. He's gone. It's over. So I can say, yo, I hope Mr. Bid do the work and do better for the people according to everybody I say I go happen. So you don't know. More love, people, more respect, and remember, follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, NEWLINK Production. Peace, love, respect, and be good and be great and be safe out there, people. The attacking boss said that. Attack. I'm out.